Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia. How are you doing today? In today's video, I'll be sharing with you another healthy tip on how to make a quick healthy sandwich breakfast. And to make this quick healthy sandwich breakfast, I'll be using a couple of ingredients, which are chicken, a wheat bread, mayonnaise, flax, hemp, and chia seed. All these ingredients I'll be using today are loaded with nutrients and vitamins. So I have the chicken in the bowl. I added 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and now I will be adding 1 tablespoon of flax, chia, and hemp seed, which are loaded in nutrients, especially omega H3, which is good for the heart. So this can actually help you to lower your blood cholesterol and to help your heart to function very well. So I mix this together, and this spread is ready. So I'll be using wheat bread, which is high in fiber, lower in calorie, and very, very rich and healthy for the body. So now I apply the healthy spread to the bread, and I'll be making a couple of this. And please note that this can actually be taken by all ages because this is a healthy sandwich. And this is ready. You can actually pack this in the morning for your kids as breakfast or as lunch. This is another healthy recipe. What are you waiting for? Try this recipe out and like and share this video. And let me know what you think in the comment section. Until next time, when I come your way, it's to your girl. I love you.